so grateful that we figured it out. Like,
with the federal government, we both worked for the federal government. Could you imagine where we would be right now if we were in that situation? We didn't have that financial independence.
Yeah.
We were really dependent on our paychecks.
that's a scary thought. For the longest time, I didn't understand when people said the system was rigged. The system was rigged against you to fail. But how is it that you can work 40, 50, even 60 hours a week and still feel broke? How is it you can do everything right? You can work hard, go to college, get a job. You can play by all the rules, but yet you are still losing the game.
So the truth is, the system is not broken. It is working exactly how it's supposed to be to keep you dependent, poor, and exhausted. And this isn't just about bad money habits. This is about a rigged system that's trapping millions of Americans in a cycle that they were not meant to escape from.
But we were able to break that cycle. We were able to escape. And on today's video, we are going to show you how the system is rigged and how you can fight back. Hey guys, it's Amon
And Christina
from Our Rich Journey. The things that we are going to talk about in this video is something that so many people are falling victim to. The financial system in America is taking them on a ride and they don't even realize it. It's keeping them depressed, it's keeping them stuck, and it's keeping them from truly living a fulfilled life. And so in today's video, we are gonna break it down for you. But before we go any further, do us a huge favor and make sure you are subscribed to our channel. And if you have a loved one that you think can benefit from this information, please share this video with them.
So we live in a time where people are working longer hours, but they have less to show for it. This is because the financial system is rigged against them. So let's go over some really important numbers and get very real about what is happening right now. 57% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without having to borrow or sell something. That means that over half of the country, one unexpected bill, like a medical emergency, a car repair, a home repair, that can push someone into debt.
63% of people live paycheck to paycheck, even people that are making six figures. We are making more money than ever before, yet people are still struggling to keep their head above water.
25% of Americans have no retirement savings. Nothing. $0. They don't even have a plan for what they are going to do when they are too old to work.
Americans have over $1 trillion in credit card debt. And that's not people taking fancy vacations. Those are people surviving off of their credit cards. People are using their credit cards to help ends meet.
64% of Americans say that money is their biggest source of stress. This means that most Americans are waking up every morning feeling stressed about money.
These numbers are staggering, and they represent a national crisis. You know, we were raised to believe that if you worked hard, if you went to school, if you paid all your bills on time, if you got a good job, then you would have financial security. But let me ask you this. Do you feel secure right now?
So the system is not built for you to win. It is designed to keep you in a cycle of working and spending, living paycheck to paycheck, buried under debt, and constantly feeling like you are one step away from disaster.
The system is designed like this, and this is the main point of this video. We are going to talk about the 5 different ways that the system is keeping you trapped. The first one, and this is the most sneakiest one, they profit from your exhaustion. Have you ever noticed how exhausted you are? How you work all day, you come home drained, and the only thing you have energy for is Netflix or social media. That is by design, because if you're too tired to think critically about your financial future, you'll just keep working, keep spending, keep making other people rich.
Next, debt is a trap. Credit card companies, banks, loan providers, they make billions by keeping you in debt. If they can keep you paying interest, they win.
Number 3, lifestyle inflation is a trick. You make more money, you spend more money. Every promotion, every raise, companies and advertisers expect you to upgrade your lifestyle to match your new income. And before you know it, you're locked into a cycle where you're making six figures, but you have nothing left at the end of the month.
Next, retirement feels impossible. Pensions are gone, Social Security, who knows? You're told to save millions to retire, but between rent, bills, and life expenses, most people cannot even save a fraction of that.
And finally, they use fear to keep you stuck. They tell you things like investing is risky, that money is complicated, that you need Wall Street experts to guide you. But that's a lie. The truth, investing is simple, but they don't want you to know that. So this is the harsh reality. No one is coming to save you. There's no safety net. Your employer isn't going to save you. The government isn't going to save you. It is up to you to take control of your financial situation and break free from this system to fight back. Now, how you fight back, well, that's going to be in the next video. But in the meantime, think about how these 5 things are keeping you trapped, how they're keeping you from moving forward and living the life that you really deserve. So in the next video, what we are going to do is show you exactly how to break free. But in the meantime, if you've liked this video, do us a huge favor and subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and
Join the journey.